I-Eskom ithi okwenze bona kwehlele esigabeni sesithandathu ukuqinteliswa kwegezi imiraro evele kumaphawaya amaningi ukusukela izolo ebusuku nokuthi beyabahlangabezana nokuriyada ekulungisweni kwemitjhini ayo. I-Eskom imezela isigaba sesithathu sokuqinteliswa kwegezi ekuthomeni kweveke. Ithi ukunande kokuqinteliswa igezi yinto esazokwenzeka kwiinyanga ezisithandathu ezizako.
We've been issuing this warning for at least 3 months now that we will have a very difficult period over the next 6 to 12 months in fully supplying the demand in the country.
Abaqozululi bathi akunabungcono endabeni yegezi.
We are experiencing the worst year on record. If you consider especially that this year, if we look at the load shedding that we have experienced, it is worse than the last 8 years cumulatively. It is an absolute disaster, not just for residents, but for commercial people, industry, for the economy as a whole.
I-Eskom besolo iqintelisa igezi solo kwathoma inyanga ukhukhulamungu kanti ithi iza kusolo yaraga njalo nokuqintelisa igezi bekweminyaka uzako.